Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm making some chicken drumsticks that I'm going to put in the air fryer. The air fryer is very similar to oven, but it just cooks things a bit quicker. So this will probably cook 10 minutes quicker in the air fryer than it would in the oven. So if you don't have an air fryer, you can put it in the oven. I'm going to start by marinating the chicken. The first thing I'm going to put in is about 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Next, I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. A tablespoon. Next to go in is some American mustard. I'm going to put in about 2 teaspoons. I've put in about 2 teaspoons of the yellow mustard. I've just put in about 10 cloves of garlic that I've cut into small pieces. You don't have to put 10 cloves, 6 is enough, but I've put in 10 cloves of garlic that I've cut into small pieces. Okay, I've grated the zest of a lemon, the whole lemon, and I've put it in here. So I put lemon zest in here from 1 lemon, using the grater, the small side of the grater with the small holes. And now I'm just going to put the juice of 1 whole lemon. The whole lemon. 1 lemon, I'm going to put the whole juice in there as well. Okay, the lemon juice is in. Next, I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt. Add as much salt as you wish to your taste. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon. Watch out for the salt. All my seasonings that I'm going to add don't have salt in them. So that's why you have to watch out. Some of the seasonings you might use, they have salt, so be careful with the salt. Next, I'm going to put in about a 1/4 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. These are mixed Italian herbs. It's got oregano, marjoram, basil, things like that. Mixed Italian herbs. I'm going to put in about a 1/4 teaspoon, not too much. Okay, next to go in is my spices. I told you before, chicken can take a lot of spices. I'm going to start by adding 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder. Next, I'm going to put in a teaspoon of mixed curry and garam masala powder. Next to go in is a teaspoon of ginger powder. Next, I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of paprika powder. A tablespoon and a half I'll add. Next to go in is about 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm only adding turmeric really for the health benefits. Next to go in is just literally a pinch of pepper, not too much. Next to go in is about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Okay, I've put in a 1/4 teaspoon of black lemon powder. This is optional. I know it's not easy to find. It's optional. Next is garlic powder. I'm only going to put in about 1 teaspoon because I have a lot of fresh garlic in here. Next is onion powder. I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon. I love onion powder. The last thing I'm going to add is this teaspoon of ginger and tamarind paste. 1 teaspoon of that. If you cannot find this ginger and tamarind paste, you can just use ginger paste, which is what I would have used if I had it. But it's fine. Yes, use ginger paste, 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to massage all of these spices together into the chicken properly using my hands. I'm going to mix everything thoroughly for a few minutes, and I'll show you how it looks before I put it in the oven. Before I put it in the fridge to marinate for like 4 hours, and then I'll cook it later in the air fryer. Okay, this is how my chicken is looking after I've marinated the chicken. I've massaged all the spices into the chicken. Now I'm going to put this all into an airtight container and put it in the fridge. I forgot to add a bit of hot sauce, so I just put a bit of hot sauce on top now. About 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. If you don't like anything spicy, chili, you don't put the hot sauce in. So now I'm just going to put this into an airtight container and put it in the fridge for 4 hours before cooking some of them. And I'll cook the rest over the next few days. I might cook 5 tonight. I'll cook the rest over the next few days. Okay, the chicken is in its container. I'm gonna place a lid on it and put this in the fridge for 4 hours before cooking it. I'll see you then. It's been about 5 hours since I put the marinated chicken in the fridge to marinate. Now I've got the air fryer on the highest number, 200 degrees centigrade. I'm going to let this air fryer preheat for about 3-4 minutes before I put the chicken in. So it's on 200 degrees centigrade. I'm going to let it preheat for 3-4 minutes, and then I'm going to put the chicken in. Okay, I've placed about 5 drumsticks in here, chicken drumsticks. I've also oiled the pan before putting in the chicken. So 5 drumsticks. Just cook as much as you want for that day. The rest of the chicken, put it back in the fridge to marinate. You can eat it over the next 3-4 days. Just take out however many you need each day and just put it in the air fryer or in the oven. So I've put it in there, and I'm going to set this for 15 minutes. And then we're going to check on it after 15 minutes. We're not going to do anything until then. We're just going to check after. So we have the chicken. It's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to turn them around. Okay, so I flipped around the chicken, turned them around, and now I'm going to put them in again for another 10 minutes. Okay, it's been another 10 minutes and the chicken is ready. It's been cooking in total for 25 minutes in the air fryer. These are small chicken drumsticks. Your drumsticks might take longer if they're bigger. Big ones, they could take up to 40 minutes, so you have to watch out for that. But these small ones took 25 minutes in the air fryer. They're nice, beautiful golden brown color. So here is the final product. I'm serving my chicken drumsticks with a cucumber salad and this mixed rice and vegetables that I have. The rice and vegetables are in a separate video. It's called Somali rice and vegetables. Thank you for watching. Please like my videos and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.